Welcome to my channel YouTube. My name is Egista Frena Putri Seran. You can call me Putri. I am a student at the Santo Petrus Pastoral de College Atambua District. Enjoy watching. Blessed are the pure heart. Jesus won children with him because they are pure heart. One day, some mothers bring to Jesus tired children so he could bless them. But the peoples drive the children away, thinking that it was a favor to Jesus. They thinking that the children could bother Jesus. Saying this, Jesus calls the children to him and tells the apostles, "Let the children come to me and do not stop them, because the kingdom of heaven belongs to those who are like them." Thank you for watching. Bye bye.